The bad thing that I'm gonna teach you today is how to make a world full of TNT in Minecraft. So go to your create new world screen. I'm gonna name it TNT world, game mode creative, difficulty peaceful because I'm a nice guy. And I'm gonna leave the cheats enabled. I'm gonna disable the structures, and the important part is the world type should be super fat. Hit customize, go to presets, and here you just want to delete all of this either by backspace, or you can press Ctrl A and select all of it to delete it. And now you want to type 384 asterisk TNT, and that's it, you're good to go. Press use preset, and here you go, TNT 384 blocks, done, create new world, and you're gonna get your world. And this world right here is virtually infinite. It has only TNT in it. And to prove that, I'm going to teleport to the bottom of the world, which is about 400 blocks down below from here. And here you are. This is the bottom of the world. Now it is a little bit dark, so let's have a night vision potion. This is much better. And to prove that the world is made only out of TNT and nothing else, I'm going to dig to the top of the world. Now this part of the video is definitely not sped up, it's just I'm a very fast digger. And still it's taking a really long time. And we are almost there. And here we are. So we are at the top. And I have successfully proven that we have just created a world full of TNT, just like required. And if you want to see what happens when I blow it up, you should go to my main channel, BadMarkMC, and you're gonna see it right there, but not here because I'm scared that my computer will blow up as well because of so much TNT. Anyways, I'll see you later. Bye bye.